Hey there, I'm Bola from Binance. Now, let's be honest. One of the biggest frustrations with crypto isn't buying it, it's using it. Maybe you've tried to pay with crypto before and it turned into a whole process. Switching apps, figuring out what's accepted, copying wallet addresses, worrying about network fees, or just giving up and paying with a normal card anyway. But what if spending crypto felt more like normal online shopping, where you can browse, pick what you want, and pay in a few taps, all in one place? That's exactly what Binance Marketplace is built for. Let's dive in. So, what is Binance Marketplace? Binance Marketplace is a lifestyle marketplace inside the Binance app where you can discover merchants and mini programs, explore exclusive discounts and campaigns, and shop for real products and services, then pay using Binance Pay with zero gas fees. So instead of asking, where can I actually spend crypto? Marketplace brings a curated set of options into one place inside the app you already use. And because it's built around Binance Pay, you can pay with a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, over 100 supported cryptocurrencies for purchases in Marketplace. Now, what can you do in Marketplace? A lot. For example, you can purchase gift cards from top global brands and retailers to make gifting and shopping easier, or level up your gaming with in-game items, currencies, and subscriptions. And that's just the start. There is a wide range of other products and services to explore, from travel and experiences to entertainment and more. Now, let's talk about the fun part, hot deals. Inside Binance Marketplace, you'll regularly see special campaigns and discounts, including hot deals with up to 50% on selected offers. These deals can be limited by time, region, or merchant. So if you see a deal you like, always open the offer page and check the exact discount details before you purchase. All right, now let me show you how to actually use Marketplace. First, open your Binance app and log in. Next, make sure you're in Binance Pro mode. If you're in the light mode, just tap here and switch to Pro. From the homepage, all you need to do is pull down all the way until you see this on your home screen. That's it. Now you're in the Marketplace. Otherwise, you can search for Marketplace and find it under Functions as you scroll down here. Once you're inside Marketplace, you can browse by category or search for something specific. How to search for mini programs and products? If you already know what you want, tap the search icon. Then type either the mini program name or a product named or SKU. After that, you can filter using apps or SKU to find what you're looking for. And if you just want to explore everything available, go to the popular section and tap here to view all mini programs. Now, let's do a real example. Under categories, you're able to scroll through the different categories by scrolling left or right. Otherwise, tap here and you can see all the categories clearly as well. Next, select the product or service you want, for example, this mini app. Once you're in, tap here and confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions in the disclaimer. Sometimes you may be asked to grant the third-party mini program access to your Binance account. Don't worry, this is to connect the mini program with Binance Pay so you can complete payment smoothly. Tap here to grant the requested permissions. Suppose you want to make a transaction in the mini app. This is how the transaction screen should look like before you submit. Here, you can choose which crypto you want to spend and where. Tap Spot Wallet to add, remove, or rearrange your spending currencies. The system will follow your payment priority settings when you pay. Once everything looks correct, confirm your payment, and that's it. Your purchase is complete. Now, what if you need help after you purchase? Firstly, refund policies vary by merchant. So if you need a refund, open the mini program where you made the purchase and follow the merchant's refund policy and instructions. To check your refund status, tap the history icon. Your refund record will appear after the merchant processes it. And if your order hasn't been delivered within 1 working day, or the delivered item is incorrect or faulty, you can contact the merchant directly through their customer support. And that's Binance Marketplace. It's a simple way to discover merchants, find discounts, and actually spend crypto on real products and services, all inside the Binance app. And because the marketplace keeps expanding with new merchants, mini programs, and campaigns, it's worth checking back regularly to see what's new, especially the hot deal section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.